Hello, and welcome to Steve Jobs Lesson 11, Use Textual Evidence to Support a Claim. In the previous lesson, we read and summarized Letters of Wilbur Wright by Wilbur Wright. Today, we will reread the Letters of Wilbur Wright by Wilbur Wright and use textual evidence to support an analysis of the Letters of Wilbur Wright by Wilbur Wright. For this lesson, you will need the Letters of Wilbur Wright by Wilbur Wright, your post-reading questions handout, and your claim, reason, and evidence handout. What can you conclude about Wilbur Wright based on his 1899 letter to the Smithsonian? I want you to think about the question on the slide for 30 seconds. You'll be responding to this question in the handout with post-reading questions after you've reread the text. What setbacks did the Wright brothers face, and how did they address the setbacks? I want you to think about this question on the slide for 30 seconds. And remember, you're going to be answering this question in the handout with the post-reading questions after you've reread the text. Your purpose in reading this text is to discover answers to the questions on your handout. At this time, I want you to read the Letters of Wilbur Wright. You will have 10 minutes to do so. At this time, you will respond to the post-reading questions. Be sure to cite evidence to support your analysis of the text. You will have 20 minutes to complete the questions. One reason that I think Wilbur Wright believed that hard work would lead to success is because he believed that continuous experiments led to an accomplished flight. All of this evidence for this reason will be details from the text that explain why Wright believed experiments lead to an accomplished flight. Can anyone find evidence to support this reason? Now that we have one reason, and you can go back and find more evidence, we have to think about a different reason to support the claim. And our claim is, the Wright brothers believed if they worked hard, they would succeed. Can anyone think of another reason? Another reason is Wright learned from his mistakes. Now we need to find evidence to support this reason. You read Letters of Wilbur Wright and participated in the class discussion about the text. Complete the claim, reason, and evidence chart handout to find evidence to support each reason for the claim. The Wright brothers believed that if they worked hard, they would succeed. You're going to complete this handout. If you don't complete it in the 10 minutes allotted, you will need to do so for homework. But I'm going to go ahead and close out this lesson. Congratulations! You have completed Lesson 11 of the Steve Jobs unit. In this lesson, you cited evidence to support analysis of Letters to Wilbur Wright. You also found evidence to support each reason that explains an evidence-based claim.